Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So in the previous video I have explained you about simplification, BODMAS rule, V-BODMAS and the types of brackets. So I hope you must have understood, because I came to know from the comment section also that most of the students have understood each and everything. So today in this video I am going to explain you about the simplification with the help of some examples, and these examples you are supposed to do in your maths classwork copy. So let's begin. I am not solving all the examples. I am solving firstly example number 4, that is on page number 106. So example number 4 is simplify 14 minus within bracket square bracket 12 minus curly bracket 9 minus 7 minus 6 minus 2 and then again bracket curly bracket then square bracket. So now I am going to ask you some questions from all the students. What do we call this? Please reply to me in the comment section. Which type of bracket is this? Please pause the video and reply to me in the comment section. This is bar or vinculum. Now coming to this bracket, what do we call this? This is round bracket or small bracket, or we also call it parenthesis. Now coming to this bracket, which type of bracket is this? This is curly bracket and this is square bracket. So as per the BODMAS rule, what is the first thing which we have to solve in this question? The first thing is vinculum, that is bar. We have to remove the bar. So to remove the bar, we have to solve that bar. The things which are under the bar, we have to solve that part. Okay. So 6 minus 2 is 4. So I have removed the bracket now. Within bracket, you can mention removing bar. Okay. It's not necessary, but if you want, you can mention, because once you will write the things in the bracket, you will remember that first thing which you have to remember. You will learn each and everything step by step. फिर आप उसे भूलोगे नहीं कभी. Okay, now 14, after removing the bar, what we have to remove? After removing the bar, the next order is to remove the small bracket or the round bracket or the parenthesis. Okay, so we have to solve the thing given in the parenthesis. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Now which bracket we have to solve now? Now we have to solve the curly bracket. So 9 minus 3 is 6. Now which bracket we have to solve now? Square bracket or the big bracket. So 12 minus 6 is 6. Now students, tell me what is 14 minus 6? It is 8. So I hope you must have understood how to solve this question. Now I am going to solve the next example, that might be a little bit complicated, but once you will solve it, you will come to know that how you have to solve that example. So that example is example number 6. Okay, it's in fraction, that is why I am solving it for you. Even example number 5 is in fraction, but we are not solving that. I am solving example number 6. So if you want me to explain other examples also, so you can comment down in the comment section. I will explain that example in the other video, that is in the next video. So let's begin without wasting time. First of all, let me rub this. So students, example number 6, I am writing it for you. Simplify 3 whole 1 upon 4 divided by curly bracket 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2 round bracket 2 1 upon 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6 bar small bracket curly bracket and then square bracket. So first let me write that for you. 3 1 upon 4 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2 curly bracket 2 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 के बाद curly नहीं, there is round bracket. Okay, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6 bar curly bracket and then square bracket. Now we have to solve this question. So as per the BODMAS rule and as per the brackets, which of the following bracket will be opened first? So we have to remove the bar first. Now please tell me in the comment section what is the LCM of 4 and 6? What is the LCM of 4 and 6? And one thing which we have to do is anything which is in the form of mixed fraction, we have to convert it into improper fraction. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1. Now we have to solve this bar part. So what is the LCM of 4 and 6? The LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. So to make it 12, 4 has to be multiplied by 3. To make it 12, 6 has to be multiplied by 2. तो जो हम डिनोमिनेटर में नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई विद द सेम नंबर इन द न्यूमरेटर ऑल्सो. So 4 3s are 12, 1 3s are 3. So here it will be 3 and 6 2s are 12. So 1 2s are 2. So 3 minus 2 upon 12. Then curly bracket, then square bracket. Now 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay. So let me write that. 5 upon 2 minus 1 upon 12. Now after this bar, which bracket we have to solve? Kindly comment down in the comment section. After removing the bar, what we have to remove? We have to remove the parenthesis. Parenthesis means the small bracket or the round bracket. So now students, tell me what is the LCM of 2 and 12. The LCM of 2 and 12 will be 12 only, because 12 also comes in the table of 2. Okay. So now here it will be 13 upon 4 divided by 5 upon 4 minus 1 by 2. The LCM of 2 and 12 is 12 itself. So 2 has to be multiplied by 6 in order to make it 12. So 30 minus 1 upon 12. Now the bracket closed. There will be a smaller bracket and then curly bracket. Okay. Now kindly let me rub this in order to write the next step. Okay. Now students, we have removed, that is we have solved the parenthesis part also. Now which bracket we have to solve? Now tell me which bracket's turn is there now. Now it's the turn of curly bracket. 30 minus 1 is 1 by 2. Bracket means what? Bracket means multiplication. So 1 by 2 multiplied by 29 upon 12. Now kindly tell me, as per the BODMAS rule, what we have to do? As per the BODMAS rule, here we have to multiply, then add, then subtract. Okay. Since it is in the curly bracket, so I am multiplying it. (13 upon 4 divided by curly bracket 5 upon 4 minus, now 129s are 29, 2 12s are 24. Since after removing the after solving the things given in the round bracket, now we have to solve the things given in the curly bracket. Now what is the LCM of 4 and 24? You have to do it step by step, only then you will be able to get the right answer. Okay. The LCM of 4 and 24 is 24. Okay. Because 24 comes in the table of 4. So it has to be multiplied by 6 in order to make it 24. So 30 minus 29 upon 24. Now 13 upon 4 divided by 30 minus 29 is 1. So 1 upon 24. Now the things given in the big bracket will be solved. So once I was explaining you fractions, I have explained you how to divide the fractions. So to divide the fractions, we have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction and then we have to multiply it with the first one. So what is the reciprocal of 1 upon 24? The reciprocal of 1 upon 24 is 24 upon 1. So as per the division of fractions, we have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction and multiply it with the first one. Now can we reduce it? Either numerator denominator like this or like this? Yes, we can. 4 1s are 4 6s are. Now 13 6s are 78. So the final answer is 78. I hope you must have understood how I have solved this question. That is how I have solved this example. Now we have to move on to the questions in the exercise. These two examples you have to do in the maths class for copy. Okay. So we will solve the questions in the exercise in our next video. I hope you must have understood both the examples. If there is any problem, any query, you can comment down in the comment section. Okay students, bye bye, take care, stay safe.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.